Hello guys and welcome to my channel once again. I am PEX and today we are going to be talking about the next week analysis. You know how we do it. Today is Sunday 22nd of January 2023. Just like I did it last week, I posted this week analysis and that is just what I said. The market is going to drop then go back up, and the market actually dropped, as you can see right here. This was where we were. The market dropped down to this level and pushed back up. Now, what are we experiencing on this chart? This is Euro USD, the 1 day time frame. All right. If you want to join the VIP signal where I drop signals for the members, you do not want to miss it because the link is going to be in the description as well. So now let's get to the meat of today's video. Sheesh. Okay, now Euro USD, as you can see on my screen, very simple chart analysis, no stress, and no, we keep it simple. We keep it simple. So heading on to the weekly candlestick, heading on to the weekly time frame. As you can see here now, what are we observing? What are we observing? So if you look at this area right here, you would notice that, okay, this bullish strong candle took out this level, right? It took it out, and the next level target we could actually see in order to get a bearish move, a potential bearish move, is this level right here. PEX strategist, I hope you understand what I'm talking about, because after the break of this level, which is the most recent high compared to the market price, all right, it took out this level with a very big bullish candlestick, right? It came back down and pushed back up again. This week literally touched the area. That is why I usually tell you guys, support and resistance are not price but area or zones. Levels, area, or zones, any of them. Do you understand? So this whole zone, this whole level, this whole area, let's drag it fully. This whole level, zone, and area are resistance. Do you understand? Sorry, are support. Do you understand? So, but previously it was a resistance, but the market took it out, came down back, and pushed up. So now that happened in the previous trading week. So now this coming forth new week, what are we expecting? We're expecting the push to this side. This is the major key level. This is a swing level for the weekly time frame. If you, okay, let me take out everything. Let me take it out and show you a naked chart. So this market got to this level, pushed back up, then we broke, retested, and dropped down back. The retest is on the lower time frame, not on this weekly time frame. Do you understand? So now this is the most key level that could actually bring this market down. If we're going to experience any move to the downside, it must be from this level. That is why I have a very thin line marking out that weekly resistance. As you can see right there, it is actually there. I don't, something some of you guys do is each time you want to analyze the market, you come to reanalyze every day, every day, every day. No, it is not ideal. Just, well, we are different kind of traders. So if you analyze today, you could leave your chart, just extend the rectangle or the line to the future. So when you come again, the market is still going to be respecting those zones unless it breaks out and reformate before it start moving again. So now, like I said, the market has the tendencies of getting to this weekly level and dropping back down before we experience a push to the upside again. Remember, the trend of this Euro USD has changed from a bearish to a bullish. Now let's head on to the 1 day time frame. So I'm going to wrap this up. So now look at this level right here. Look at this level right here. We can see that, okay, this level here that you guys are seeing on the weekly time frame is, okay, let's go back to the weekly time frame. Let me show you something. Going to the weekly time frame, you understand that, okay, this level, this market came here and tested this level. Do you understand? It came down here, tested this level, and rejected back up. So now this level, let me change the color so you can keep an eye on it. So you can keep an eye on it. Let's keep it black and increase the, sorry, red, and increase the opacity. All right. So keep an eye on it. Let's switch to the daily time frame. Let me show you a full candle on that level. So can you see? That tap on that weekly time frame is what a candle came, closed above, and a bullish candle rejected, pushed back to the upside. I hope you understand it. Trading is literally simple. All you just have to do is look from the eagle's eye perspective. Not everybody understands this, but that is why the PEX Strategist course is available for you. All you just got to do is DM with the link in the description and get the course. It is very open. $50 right now, on promo price for a month, and a year you get it for $299, which calculatively 50 times 12 is $600. But we did it half the price and even lesser for you for a year. And if you want to get it for 6 months, it is just $150 for anywhere in the country, Nigeria or any other country. It is so simple and quick to understand. So now on that weekly time frame, we got that level right here, and now this level becomes our daily time frame resistance, which if you want to mark it out, you just have to double tap on your area, then it's going to pop out, then you put the daily resistance, so you don't forget. But because I'm acquainted to it already, I already know my even if the colors are the same thing, I already know the zones and what day time frame is this. So but if you want to remember, just double tap and write, and it's going to pop out for you. Can you see it right there? Daily resistance. All right, you can reduce the stuff and anyhow you want to do it. Change the color to blue, blase like that, and it is easy. And if you want to put it to the middle, you just come here, center it, and you're good to go. Do you understand? So this way your chart looks simple, your chart look even self-explanatory. Do you understand? What do I mean by self-explanatory? Like once somebody sees your chart, you know this is a major resistance. Do you know that there are differences between major resistance and minor resistance? Man, you're missing a lot. The PEX strategies are getting this back to back. Like the major resistance are levels. PEX strategies, just give me a few minutes to explain this. The major resistance are resistance levels that the market gets to and has about 70 to 80 potential of reversing back. But the minor resistance are easily broken. Do you understand? Those things. But now the question is, how do you map out a weekly resistance? How do you map out a minor resistance and a major resistance? That's the question. Do you understand? That is why you need to get the course right away. You need to get the course. That way you will set your technicals right and you will trade with precision. Like I already said on my status and on my story, I'm going to be dropping the 1 million naira target. If you are aiming for 1 million naira this year, I know there are so many guys, young guys, that have not made a million naira with forex or anywhere in their entire life, but you want to do it with forex, you can literally do it. All you just have to do is, the first thing first is tell yourself you can do it. That is the thing. You can do it. And if you tell yourself yes, you can do it, then you start planning to getting that goal. Then if you're using forex, you need to set your technicals right. Your technicals in forex is the skill you have to win the market. Just like I've aligned this level, if you go to any time frame, this name you've given here, daily resistance, is going to be there. Let's go to the 1 week time frame so you see it. Can you see it? You already know that, okay, this is my daily resistance. So now if you want to mark out any other one, you will know that when this market gets to this level, this is the daily resistance. So the market has a huge potential of reversing on this level. Do you understand? And if you want to do it with lines and every other thing, you can. All you just have to do is double tap on it, press it, and let's just try this weekly resistance. All these things are tips and tricks that we use in the PEX strategy. These are the things you will learn even more better in the PEX strategy. You need to get the course right now and change the game for you, for yourself, man. 2023 is a year at which you need to be upright in your trading skills. You need to be upright in your trading skills. No cap. I do not like it, so I have to remove it. Let's just keep this daily resistance right there. All right. So now this market, as you can see right here, we are experiencing a double top, and you guys will be asking yourself, a double top signify a drop? Yeah, and I told you guys I'm going to blow your mind, right? Yes, let me blow your mind right now. Because of what we have seen on the weekly time frame, this market has a huge potential of getting to this level before we come down. It has a huge potential of getting to this level before we come down. So now my bias on this level, we are still going to go up. Let's go to the weekly time frame so I make it elaborate for you to understand. Like I said, if you take out all these markups that I did here, you will notice that, okay, this level has been taken out with this big bullish candle. Before we get any reversal, we need to get to this level before we come down here. And remember, this is the daily resistance, so it always have a potential of reversing from here. Do you understand me? So let's go back to the daily resistance. Let me show you something. So now here we are seeing a double top. The market has the tendency of dropping. Do not quote me wrong. It has the potential of dropping because of this chart pattern. But right here, you need to understand that because of that principle on the weekly time frame, we need to get to this level before we get any drop. Do you understand? We need to get to this level before we get any drop. So now what do you have to do? In order to follow this trend, remember the trend is now a buy, no longer a sell. In order to follow this trend, you need to see some certain levels, some certain concepts, some certain candlesticks in the market before you enter in for a buy. Your entry strategy matters. You don't just get into the game and tap enter. You don't just tap sell or buy because you have the power to press those buttons. You need to understand entry strategy before you start taking a trade, taking action. Do you understand? Those entry strategy are something that are going to be explained. They are already explained in the PEX strategy course. All you just have to do is get the course and change your story. It is easy. All right. The link is in the description, so all you just have to do is chat the admin up and get the course easily. You get the login and everything is ready for you. So like I said, my bias is this. Let me draw the path for you. You should understand something. All right, we've pushed up to this level, so I'm expecting a push to this level, push down. Oh shit, let me get this stuff again. We've pushed up again, so I'm expecting a push to this side, come down here before we move up again. Do you understand? Or I'm expecting if there is a certain candlestick that once you see on this level, if you're the kind of trader that trade both positions, like you trade sell and you trade buy, not at once, but when you see a sell opportunity, you trade it. When you see a buy opportunity, you trade it. If you're that kind of trader, then you need to see a particular candlestick, some certain candlesticks that would verify that this market is going to drop down to this level. Do you understand? So in case I notice that candlestick during the weekend, this is what the buyers could look like. The market is going to drop down to this level. Then we're going to have a double bottom and the market is going to push back to this level, come down here again and go up. Do you understand? Do you understand? That is for Euro USD. That is for Euro USD. The buyers, I am going 70% to the upside, not to the downside. And in case we have a push to the downside, this is our level of concentration. I hope I've broken it down for you well enough. You might want to screenshot this in case of reference purposes. And if you want to understand better, you need to get the course so you can trade with the eagle's eye perspective. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you the reason why I say this market is going to go up. Sorry, to the 1-hour time frame. Let me show you something. If you look closely, you understand that, okay, yeah, this level has been broken with a candlestick. All right, we've gotten another candlestick and now we're getting a retest on this level. So the PEX strategists, you already understand what's going on. But let's keep it real, let's keep it dope, and let's keep moving. So now let's head on to the XAUSD, which is going to be the last one for today. The last one for today, and we're going to call it a day. XAUSD, my favorite pair. You understand, you already know how the thing goes. Let's get going, fam. I doubt if this is the analysis. I did so many analysis, so many places. Let me delete this one. I don't think this is the analysis. Though this analysis is correct as well, but this is not the one I use. Let's go to the watch list and tap on this. It should load up for us. All right. Yeah, I know I have an alert there waiting for me. So I know I have an alert there. So I can snipe in as well. You understand? You understand? So right here, what are we expecting? Like I showed you guys on the 1-hour time frame in Euro USD, the market has broken the level already and now retested. So we're expecting a push to the upside. If you want to learn the break and retest strategy, you need to check my video or watch to the end of this video so you can see the thumbnail is going to pop out. That's the video. Recommended videos is going to pop out for you, break and retest, so you understand the strategy of break and retest. So now let's go. Let me just break this down sharply for you. So now looking at XAUSD, you will understand that this is a weekly support. Like I told you guys, that thing that you learned from the PEX strategy course, you would understand that. Can you see right here? I have the W support already. I've marked it out already, so my eyes are on them. So if you look here, there is a consolidation at this level. So the market started consolidating, then we got a push to the upside and a break. We got a retest and a break back. Let me tell you one secret of price action. Whenever a major resistance or a major support breaks, whenever a major resistance and major support breaks, we are bound to expect a retest on that level. So now let's get going with this. Just like I explained, whenever you see a major resistance or a major support being broken, we're going to see a retest on that level. It may not be immediately, but we must surely see a retest on that level. Take this for example. This is a major resistance level. The market took it out and is back down. Even though we had a little fake out at the top, the market is back down. So now what are we expecting? The PEX strategies, you already know how the thing goes. Wait for your entry strategy and get going. And those of you that are still yet to get the PEX strategy course, you just need to DM and get it going. Like I said, it is on promo price right now, $50 for a month, $150 for 6 months, and $299 for a year. You need to start your forex journey the right way. Forget about the forward. Get your strategy, learn your strategy, and stick with your strategy. This I am going with XAUUSD. My bias for XAUUSD is, since it has gone to this level, break retest, we're going to push to this side. Or if we get to see the candlestick patterns that I taught you guys on the course, then we'll have to break this level first. We have to break this level. Then the potential of this coming down is very small. It is small. I don't see XAUUSD coming down. If I am wrong, let the market judge. But right here, I don't see XAUUSD coming down. We have the tendency of pushing to the upside. Let me show you what justifies my decision. Come to the weekly time frame and you're going to see that right away. Did you see the consolidation being broken? The consolidation come to this level. Last week I told you guys, last week this was where we were. On Instagram, I was on Instagram last week and I was seeing so many weekly analysis, so many guys telling us that this market are going to drop, it's going to drop, it's going to drop to this level, it's going to drop to this level. I was just laughing because I knew what was going to happen. I knew that this market can never drop to this level. Never drop to this level. I was not overconfident, but because of my PEX strategy, eagle's eye perspective, I understand that there is no way this market can ever come to this level. There is no way this market can ever come to this level. Because why were you guys saying it? Because of, if you look closely, you would understand that. Let me just give you their reasons for that. You would understand that, okay, yes, this is a chart pattern. And what chart pattern is this? You should know it already. This is a head and shoulder. We have room come here and this head and shoulder right here, and this is the second level. So the market came here, but they fail to understand that. They fail to understand that this level right here, yes, the level is correct, but can you see the big bullish candle? It takes only God to make this candle to come down to this level. The big bullish candle, meaning the bulls are in charge already. The bulls are in charge already. So now this market took out, though it came down a little bit, but not to that level. Not to that level, not to this level. Why? If you look closely again, you would understand that this level is there. This level is there. So that is why this market rejected back to this side and pushed up instead of getting to this place as they analyzed. So some guys that are swing traders that will want to trade just one weekly time frame candle, their stop loss has been slammed. So you do not want to be like them for this new week. All you just have to do is learn the technicals, learn the right way, and put yourself in a very good technical skill. Like, make yourself soaked. Learn how to trade the right way, and that way you would end up seeing the market from the eagle's eye perspective. That is very needed. Do you understand? It's super needed. So now going to the 4-hour time frame, you understand that there is a little bit of consolidation on this zone. Well, consolidation is good because it literally tells us, all right, after a consolidation, then we're expected to see a push to the upside. Now the question is, why is this market consolidating or ranging? There is a principle in price action that states a massive push to the upside or to the downside. The next thing we are going to see is what? A consolidation. When the market has trended so well, you must experience a consolidation. And as you can see, the market really rallied up to the upside so marvelously. So swing traders has made tons. And when I mean swing traders, I mean the PEX strategists. So you do not want to miss out any longer. My battery is running low. Isn't it charging? Wow. All right. Oh shit. Okay, no problem. Well, I'm going to wrap it up. And that is how the thing goes. I hope you understand this. I hope it's going to help you to see the market well enough. Let me just give you a scope. As you can see right here, I have an alert here. If you look at the alert, it is called entry. You do not want to enter this market right here because this is a consolidation area. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me give you the scope, then I'll call it a day. As you can see, this is a consolidation area, and the consolidation area is a very risky place to trade. So you want to see a break of that consolidation, retest on the consolidation, then you enter the market. Please do not loud it. My PEX strategists are going to come for you if they hear me giving you this expo. Shh. So now that is it for the day. XAUSD and EURUSD has been explained to the best understanding. So you do not want to miss out. Get the course, get your technical skill right. $50 for a month, $150 for 6 months, and $299 for a year. DM with the link in the description and get going right now. And yes, if you want to earn from this using the signals that I'm going to be providing, there is a free signal. The free signal is going to be there. The Telegram channel is there. And if you want to register for the VIP session, it is available for you right away. 20,000 Naira. And if you are not in Nigeria, just $30. PEX got you, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Yes, within the week, I'm going to be dropping a short video, so you don't want to miss out as well. How to make your 1 million Naira if you're in Nigeria, or 1 million in your country's currency. PEX got you, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.